Hi, Miss Cadyn. I'm sorry I couldn't hear you on Zoom. That's why I messaged you. You asked where the reading was. Um, and so it looks like this is here. And I believe I have a video of Miss Lowry and her dad doing it on my Google site. So if you want to look at that instead of doing it yourself, you're more than welcome to. If you want to do it with your family, you can do that as well. Just make sure you have adult supervision, please. So here's the investigation for the first week, and then here where it says now read the following, just this little part is the reading. So if you want to go ahead and move on to the other stuff, you're more than welcome to. Like I think this part is in next week's section for science, and then like doing this, and then this is the summative. So I know it's really tiny, so if you want to go ahead and work ahead, you're more than welcome to. And I'm sorry that the science is kind of spaced out weird. We didn't make it, or else we would make it a little easier. But hopefully that helps to let you know where the reading is. It's just this tiny little paragraph. So please let me know if you have any more questions. Thank you. Bye.